Here is another easy recipe for Avurudu, that is coconut toffees. For this recipe we need 200 grams of scraped coconut, 300 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of food coloring and half a teaspoon of salt. When making coconut toffees, first we need to combine coconut, sugar and salt together. Then heat this until sugar is melted. Add vanilla and stir continuously on low heat. Now add food coloring and mix well. Today I am going to make green color coconut toffees. You can use any color you want. When this mixture starts sticking together, switch off the flame. After that, flat the mixture on a tray, let it cool down a bit and cut into pieces. Since this recipe is super simple, you can make this easily anytime you want. See you soon with a new Avurudu recipe. Till then, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.